How to change font style on your iPhone 14s. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the font style on your iPhone 14. So this will work for any iPhone 14 such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Plus, etc. So to change your display font, simply go to settings, there scroll down and then go to general. After that, you can see the option fonts. Simply tap on it and then it will say that no fonts installed. So you'll have to first of all open App Store, and once you've done that, simply go to search and then type for fonts. Now download whichever fonts you want. So simply tap on the get option. After that, enter your Apple ID passcode. Now once you've downloaded the app, simply open it and now tap on the option get started. After that, you'll have to go back, go to settings, back out. After that, go to keyboard. Now once you're over here, tap on the option keyboards and then tap on the option add new keyboard. After that, go to fonts. Now once you've done that, you can simply type in any font you want. And for those of you who are wondering to change their font on their display, let me be clear, you simply can't change the font. It is set by Apple themselves and they don't allow anyone to change the font on their display. So if you are trying to change the font, you simply won't be able to change it. But if you are here to send message, so for example, let me simply go over here, and now this is the normal text or the normal font right over here. Now go to this globe icon right over here. After that, choose fonts, and now you can change it to any font over here. So let me simply tap on this, and now this is the font we just unlocked. So if you want to change your display font, you won't be able to change it, but if you want to change the font while you text, you can do it through this method. So hope this video cleared your confusion and helped you guys out. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.